Welcome back to the Daily Setup from Mockapital. One chart, one key setup every day. Hello everyone, I'm Matt. Let's dive into today's setup. Alright, today we're analyzing DXY on the 4-hour time frame dated March 4th. Now, this is interesting because the US dollar index is going through a pretty significant structural shift. After months of being capped by that descending trend line, we've finally seen a clean breakout. That trend line has been suppressing price for a while, and now it's given way. Before the breakout, we saw strong accumulation holding above that 96.50 to 97.00 demand floor. That base building phase was key, and once price cleared the diagonal resistance around 98.80, that was the signal that the corrective phase is likely over. So what's next? The roadmap here is pretty textbook. First, we're looking for momentum continuation toward 99.50. That's the next logical magnet on the chart. After that initial push, the ideal scenario is a classic break and retest. In other words, price pulls back to retest that former trend line, now flipped into support. If buyers step in and defend that level, that's your confirmation that this is a true structural reversal, not just a fake breakout. If that retest holds, the path opens toward the primary supply zone between 101.20 and 101.60. That's the next major upside objective. And as long as DXY holds above the 98.50 pivot on a 4-hour closing basis, the technical bias remains firmly bullish. That keeps the door open for a sustained rally toward the triple-digit handle. So right now, it's breakout, potential retest, and continuation. Clean structure, clear levels. Let's see if momentum follows through. This setup can be your step towards a funded account with Mockapital. Start your journey today at mockcapital.com.